Welcome to another video. Today's unboxing video of Samsung Galaxy S5 refurbished from China Aliexpress. So let's start the unboxing. So that's the phone. The accessories should be like not original, because they already say in their website that the accessories is not original. So that's the manual. There's a warranty card, a USB. That's the European plug and earphone. So there's the phone. So you can see all over it's plastic, and it looks like it's brand new. So it's good for like if you want to give to someone and your budget is low. So that's the best area. I like to buy the refurbished phone and completely look like the or a brand new. So setup. So I paid for this for €94, so probably it's around $100. And I think the software on this phone is Android 5. Oh yeah, Android 6 Marshmallow. So this is the US version as well, and it is perfectly working in Europe, especially in Ireland. This is the Samsung G900V, and you can see the LTE also work, and this is the speed of the internet with 4G. I have a 3 SIM card, and it worked perfectly. And you can see the Wi-Fi speed as well. So I think it because I got this one for cheaper, around €95 from AliExpress. The European version it costs around €110 or €115. So I decided why not try with the US version. It will work. If not works, so definitely 3G will work. But that's great thing is 4G also is work. So there's the Wi-Fi speed is around 89, and you can see this is the heart rate monitor, which also work as well. So I will recommend this if someone want to buy a US version for cheap one. So yeah, they can. It will work as well as a 4G. So I think that's a better thing. So I think this refurbish is it's a great one, because lots of time that you can buy refurbished from phone from China, lots of time like you will get the defective one, but I use this one for around a week and everything is like perfect. So there is no problem with this phone. So if you want to buy this phone, so I'll share a link with you in from AliExpress. So I don't know, this didn't show, but before I check it was 75 or something normally. Yeah, so that's it. And this is the great phone with the cheap price, and go for a gift as well if you want to buy a refurbished phone. But yeah, if you want to buy for your friend or someone else or family member as a gift, they will think like it's brand new. So that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.